Okay, good morning. Nandito po tayo ulit sa UP Campus. Ito na yung part 2 ng ating UP Diliman walkthrough. Ayan. So, right now, ang gagawin natin is pupuntahan natin yung commercial area ng UP Campus. Ito yung tawag nila na Dilimall. Okay. So, puntahan natin ngayon. Yan, so right now, naglalakad tayo sa Magsaysay Avenue. Ito yung main street ng UP Campus. Ayan. Ayan yung main gate. And it crosses all the way dyan sa dulo. Ngayon, sa left side, dyan sa street na yan, papuntang Academic Oval. If you watch the last video, yun po yung inikot natin last time. So that's to the left. Ngayon, papunta tayo to the right. Ayan. So ayan, lakaran natin. Ito sa left side, ang mga dorms ng mga students. Ayan. Maybe vacant sila ngayon dahil nagsa-summer break na yata. Okay. So papunta na tayo dyan sa Dilimall. Tawid tayo dito sa street. For those of you na nakapanood ng last vlog, marami pong salamat if you were able to stay to the end. I hope nakatulong naman yon. Ayan, mga dorms. Those are dorms behind me. This one to my right, this is the church. Ayan, Catholic church po yun. May mga daily masses sila dyan everyday. Ayan, tawid tayo. Ikutin muna natin yung church and I'll show you what's on the side. Okay, so this is the perimeter of the church. Ayan. There. So itong street na to, this is two-way. Ayan. Now this side over here is the health service. Parang hospital yan. Now, kung mga freshie kayo, I think you have to get your results here to be able to apply for application po to. So ikutin natin yung health services. Tawid tayo. Yung pharmacy. This is the health service. Ayan. Pwede rin yung mga outsiders dito, no? So, those people na gusto magpa-check up. Ayan. But I think for mga students, may mga discount or sometimes it's free. So it's right across the church. This trip is kinda short, no? It's just really the church, health service, and yung commercial, yung Dilimon, which we are going to now. Ito na yung commercial area ng school. Mga eating dito. So this is still a dorm. And sa baba may mga facilities for the mga nagdo-dorm. So there you go. Yung store na yan na Upbeat, may mga merchandise yun, ano? Nagbebenta sila ng mga UP merchandise. So here behind me is the commercial complex. Ayan yung commercial complex. I think this was just opened last year, no? So it's 3 floors. Different food sila dyan. Maybe I should do a separate video for this. Medyo maraming mga food and things to look at here. So let's see. Again, no, I hope the audio is okay, no? Medyo maingay kasi yung last video, but if you're able to stay for it, thank you very much for watching. I hope the audio now is okay. Hindi na siya masyadong maingay or masyadong magulo. I hope it translates well. Ayan. Puntahan natin yung Dilimon. Tawid tayo. So yan, may Robinson's Grocery sila here sa first floor. Yan, mga coffee spots. Speaking of coffee spots, maraming mga coffee places dito sa commercial area. Ayan. Espresso again. Okay, so ito yung drugstore. It's nice na may drugstore rin sila dito. There you go. Ito na yung dulo from this side. Okay, so i-generalize ko lang muna, no? Maybe I'll do another video na mas in-depth dito sa commercial area or yung Dilimon mismo, isolated video. So let's see. The weather's actually okay, no? Medyo makulimlim siya, but it's not as sunny, so it's not as hot. That's actually a nice blessing. So we're entering another area. Medyo may loud music, so baka I have to kill first yung audio. Ito bago to, this is Fredo's. Medyo malaki rin. Affordable rin yung food niya. If you go straight, papuntang A2 yan. So, let's do a quick tour around A2 and we'll head back here. Ayan, may post office rin sila. Ayan, that street straight ahead, yan yung area 2. Okay. Quick lang, no? Ito yung area 2. This is area 2. Ang printing. Coffee again. Fried chicken. Some of these, no? Mga bahay sila, no? And then may mga eating sila sa baba. Cafe rin. Ayan. May mga eating places dito. Now for students, mas affordable to in some way. So compared to the commercial area, mas affordable dito, of course. Ayan. Japanese. Sago. Alright. There you go, no? That's basically it. So sa dulo ng A2, ayan yung track oval ng campus or ng school. There. And there's a game going on right now. Okay, so short lang yung video na to, no? Not as long as the other one, no? So it's basically just the commercial area, yung church area, yung health center. So basically yan lang. Gawa na lang tayo ng separate video for the commercial area na Dili Mall. So, ayan. Balik tayo sa Dili Mall. See the remaining stores or restos. Yung Shakey's. May Shakey's sila dito. Potato Corner. And Dunkin Donuts. Itong Dunkin Donuts, laging puno yan. But right now, medyo okay pa. And yung Fredos. Different stalls. So, Changi. Every day and open. Different juices, empanadas. More stores. Dito sa UP, no? Hindi ka talaga magugutom, no? So many eating places dito. Yung parking ng establishment. Okay, so if you got this far po sa video, thank you very much for watching. Dito muna magtatapos yung vlog natin. Stay tuned for the third installment ng UP walking tour natin. We will cover the science complex naman. Kaya, let's see. Okay, catch you in the next vlog.